So, look, it's dark as hell, and we are in Kroger.
YouTube.
Yep. You heard him say YouTube. I wish I could see more.
Sorry, everyone got their lights on.
Yeah, there go a red bone. You heard that? It's really thundering, and we're in Kroger right now. I'm in Kroger. Oh, they're going on. Sorry, just had the flashlight, everybody. I feel like Zombie of the Dead right now. You know? Where's everything at?
It's the one that I have.
I should go get the dice and stuff. Right? Look, there's light poles. Should we go vandalize the place? She's still picking out food and shit. Tay just looking at the dark. I mean, it's really dark out here. Can you see me? Can you see me?
I see your shirt, can't see your face.
Yeah, man. It's dark as hell. I don't see nothing.